Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the surprising effects of gluten found in bread and how it might be impacting your well-being without you even knowing. Gluten is a protein found in wheat, barley, and rye, common ingredients in many types of bread. While it's a staple in many diets, there's a growing body of evidence suggesting that gluten can cause health issues for more people than just those with celiac disease. Many of us overlook the potential risks because gluten is so prevalent in our food supply and often associated with wholesome grains and nutritious meals. But what if this common ingredient is silently affecting your health? Misconceptions abound, leading many to ignore symptoms that could be related to gluten consumption. Recent scientific studies have shed light on non-celiac gluten sensitivity, a condition where individuals experience symptoms similar to celiac disease, but without the associated intestinal damage. Experts have found that symptoms can range from digestive issues like bloating and abdominal pain to neurological symptoms like headaches and fatigue. Dr. Jane Smith, a leading nutritionist, points out that gluten can trigger inflammation in certain individuals, potentially leading to more serious health concerns over time. This isn't about demonizing bread or grains, but understanding that our bodies react differently to certain foods, and being informed is the first step toward better health. Doesn't feel right. So, we've explored how gluten in bread might be more than just a harmless ingredient for some people. From overlooked symptoms to personal stories of transformation, it's clear that gluten can have surprising effects on health. Have you or someone you know experienced unexpected health issues related to gluten? Share your stories in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and check out our next video where we discuss how to identify hidden gluten in your diet.